Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the Azure Service Principal. How to authenticate Service Principal using the Terraform, and what is the way to do that, right? As per the production as well, and what is the best way to do that? We have a many things over the, but let's see how to do that. Basically, we just need to create a Service Principal, and then using the Service Principal using Azure CLI user. Basically, I will cross it later on. This is the second way. First way, this is okay. We just need to create a service principal, need to create a resource group storage account. So let's start. Because this is a prereq, we just need to create. Okay, I will. So you just need to say app registration from here itself, and AD, intra ID rate. You just need to click so you can get it inside this, right? So we just need to click app registration. Okay, so we just need to create a Terraform service principal. Just copy this, and here it is. You just need to select web. Okay, just create it. We have these all these things, right? Let me stop for a moment. Like I have already created a one Azure Service Principal plain video how to authenticate. So I have explained all these things, client IDs, tenant ID, secret, and all these things. So let me stop for a moment. Okay, guys. So this is the same. I just copy these values, right? Okay, and I just need to create a one secret TF SP secret. So make sure whenever you are going to create, so naming convention should be more readable format, right? We have created this. Just need to copy this value and paste it this here, right? In the secret section. Control V. Okay. I think one part is okay. I will show you all the error and all, right? Okay. And let's go for the second part. Here I have mentioned need to create resource group. Okay, I will tell you resource group. I have already created this resource group, but I will tell you how to create new. I hope everyone is about the resource group. So I'm not going to create new, but I'm just telling you resource group name and region and review and create. This is the step for resource group creation. One is storage account. I'm going for storage account. I will tell you. So here is some quick understanding. So basically I have created this, so I'm not going to create, but I will tell you what I need to do. This is the subscription resource group. This is name. Okay, East US. What we have to elect if you are going for production, so select this, right? And geo redundancy, geo redundant storage. Okay, but I'm not going to production, so I'm just selecting locally. Okay, and I will next make sure these all the as per the normal, right? No change here, right? I will tell you where which a change is required. This should be enabled. Okay, otherwise it is not public, so you cannot able to connect. Either you have to connect your virtual net routing, so it's either private endpoint. We have other ways as well. Next, one more thing need to be taken care. If we are going to working on production, this should be enabled. Okay, versioning of below. Okay, next apart nothing more than that. Check and just need to create. So I'm not going to create because I have already created this. I'm showing into this. Inside this, this is the data. I have created a container in front of you right now. Container I will create. Terraform TAINER container. I just need to, basically code is already written. I will show you the main difference. You have already seen many videos, right? But this is unique. Okay, Terraform container create. This is the prereq. I need to require one more change in service principal, but I will show you. And one exact okay, I will tell you later on. Okay, this is created Terraform container. This is a storage account. One more thing I want to see, the data management. Okay, and blob object application here, data production. If somehow any face any issues, so check here as well, right? If versioning enabled or not, enable versioning of blob, right? Okay, for production perspective, if you are using existing storage account. Okay, and one more point, security and networking. Go to the networking here, which I am telling you public enable. So this is here itself. Okay, so I have tell everything so far as per my knowledge and experience. Going to this, right, I have added this Terraform container which I have created. Basically I have executed this, right? Clear. So let me copy this here, right? Service principal and all, right? So basically we have seen all the videos, right? Sorry. Okay, let me stop for a moment. I need to change these values, okay, as per the current service principal. So guys, I have copy pasted. Basically client ID and all secret is different, so I have pasted here, right? Secret as per the service principal which I copied. I will show you here, right? I copied here. So basically we are trying to use right now using this. So I think I will tell you, this is a provider configuration as per backend. Where we want to store our Terraform state. This is a storage account I show you. This is Terraform container I have created in front of you. This is Terraform state file. Just state file need to be created inside this blob, right? Container. This is client and secret ID I have created and saved. And what I am going to create using this one only resource group. Okay, this is name of this, only this. This file has lot of code, but demo is using how to use this service principles, right? So I hopefully it will work, but I'm telling you this will not work. At Terraform init, then it will throw a error. So what exactly it is saying? Error building ARM config. This is subscription and using the Azure Service. Azure CLI basically we can use to authenticate only user based. So they are trying to authenticate through the user base, but it is not a user, it's a like identity. It's a, I would say, and it's not a resource, I would say. Like, we need to authenticate. And one more thing, if you are working in production, so this we cannot define this, right, in any way. We cannot store these on the GitHub anywhere, because these are the secrets. Okay, and that is not a way to do that, right? So we do have a, we cannot do that authenticate directly to doing this, right? So we should have a one alternate. Let me show you. Because if AJ account list, there is no account configured, but I will authenticate through this, right? But how? I will copy all these information, just need to see. Okay, here these all values, but I am using ARM, right? So I have used ARM underscore client ID, ARM underscore secret, ARM underscore tenant ID, and so secret and all these will be same. So I just need to import these value. Okay, I hope after this it is not working now. So let me do one thing, comment out. Okay, so now we are not using. I will doing the same, delete in front of you, so there is save it. So this is the way actual, because from which machine we are going to fire Terraform. So these things need to be saved as a variable. This is only for I would say like a temporary perspective. You need to save this, right? Okay, then Terraform init you need to do. Then see what is this, because I fixed this. I told you, okay, I need to show you one more error. Basically we have saved this Azure Service Principal credentials, but what exactly failed to get existing workspace. We have created the service principal, but we haven't assigned any permission to the service principal. Huh? I hope service principal doesn't mean anything. It's a resource. So how we can do that, right? So let's go to the again portal. Okay, going for subscription. If you are having some experience administration, so you can understand easily. Go to the subscription. Basically I'm using the same subscription, so that's why role assignment, and it's a privileged. I'm providing contributor role and identity. Which identity we need to provide? Terraform service principal, this identity. Okay, previous, next, this is Terraform. Okay, I select, I clicked on previous, next, this Terraform, this is the, I'm using this subscription ID BDC. Okay, review. So I have this contributor role right now. Let me see. Okay, this is has contributor access, Terraform SP contributor. Okay, on which it has which we do have this access. This is the subscription. Okay, this subscription we do have access on contributor. Okay, and we are using this subscription BDC. I will show you BDC. Okay, I saved BDC as well, right? Expression. Now clear. Now again I'm going to execute Terraform init. Let's see. So this is the exact way. This is not that we can write client ID, secret ID in the Azure Service Principal, Azure RM provider, and it will work. No, never. This is wrong. Terraform apply -var basically this is for demo, for only how to use it. I hope you see many videos over the cloud, but it is not exactly showing the same thing, right? We have a two ways, user base as well. Directly you can use AG login. This user doesn't have any access. This is indirectly using the service principal. Okay, so this user is going to create. I will show you what resources we are going to create. This is state demo resource group. Now I think we do have a not created, not created. It's coming. State group. This is our code itself. We just need to create a state demo. We have other code as well, but it is not for today demo. And this is completely created. We do have a one more way. And what is this? I will show you just a hint, right? You can go to users, okay, and here is a TF user, and assign roles. This is, and I think after station we need to go one more time. This is the way. If you guys like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. And here it is managed. And if you created any row user, so you just need to add owner, and add owner, and let me show you existing one. I think dev tf, this is tf user as a owner. And what we need to do here we have saved this key, but AJ account list, this is right here. You just AJ login. So I will show you. Basically I have done both, so it will give you a pop-up. Let me see this one. So you just need to configure this, okay, using the same user. So this is the way to do that. If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. It's a great help for me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.